In which type of medium is the velocity of sound the least? A. Plasma. B. Gaseous. C. Solid. D. Liquid. The correct answer is B. Gaseous. What type of particle was beryllium exposed to, leading to the discovery of neutrons? A. Beta particles. B. X-rays. C. Alpha particles. D. Gamma rays. The correct answer is C. Alpha particles. Which of the following is common in certain microorganisms and freshwater fish? A. Anaerobic respiration. B. Chemiosmosis. C. Photosynthesis. D. Aerobic respiration. The correct answer is A. Anaerobic respiration. Based on the table, which disease transmission mode involves contaminated water? A. Cholera. B. Tetanus. C. Tuberculosis. D. Pneumonia. The correct answer is A. Cholera. If a soap is less water-soluble, which alkali was most likely used in its production? A. Sodium hydroxide. B. Lithium hydroxide. C. Calcium hydroxide. D. Potassium hydroxide. The correct answer is A. Sodium hydroxide. What is the jelly-like substance present in a cell called? A. Cytoplasm. B. Chloroplast. C. Mitochondria. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is A. Cytoplasm. In the provided solution, what is the value given for acceleration? A. 2 ms2. B. 6 ms2. C. 0 ms2. D. minus 6 ms2. The correct answer is D. minus 6 ms2. Which phylum is characterized by having a cellular level of organization? A. Coelenterata. B. Porifera. C. Annelida. D. Platyhelminths. The correct answer is B. Porifera. What are specialized cells that can be transformed into any kind of cells? A. Nerve cells. B. Heart cells. C. Bone cells. D. Stem cells. The correct answer is D. Stem cells. What is one purpose of regulating the market price of food? A. To provide food to consumers at a fair cost. B. To make food less accessible. C. To reduce the variety of available food. D. To increase farmer profits. The correct answer is A. To provide food to consumers at a fair cost. What is another name for the law of conservation of mass? A. Law of universal gravitation. B. Law of indestructibility of mass. C. Law of chemical stability. D. Law of constant composition. The correct answer is B. Law of indestructibility of mass. What is blocked from passing through an open circuit? A. Resistance. B. Current. C. Power. D. Voltage. The correct answer is B. Current. What type of force exists among like electric charges? A. Repulsive. B. Attractive. C. Magnetic. D. Gravitational. The correct answer is A. Repulsive. Which type of bone is exemplified by the sternum? A. Short bone. B. Flat bone. C. Long bone. D. Irregular bone. The correct answer is B. Flat bone. In what state are vestigial organs found in some related forms? A. Well-developed and functional. B. Absent entirely. C. Highly mutated. D. Identical to their degenerated form. The correct answer is A. Well-developed and functional. In what two states does nitrogen occur? A. Ionic and covalent. B. Gaseous and liquid. C. Free and combined. D. Solid and plasma. The correct answer is C. Free and combined. What order does the Indian cattle leech belong to? A. Hirudinea. B. Annelida. C. Hirudinaria. D. Nathobdelida. The correct answer is D. Nathobdelida. What is listed as a reference book for understanding the Big Bang? A. The Moon's Secrets. B. An Introduction to Astronomy. C. What Are the Stars? D. Big Bang by Simon Singh. The correct answer is D. Big Bang by Simon Singh. After impact, if two bodies move along the same straight line, what do V1 and V2 represent? A. Their relative velocities. B. Their average velocities. C. Their velocities after the impact. D. Their initial velocities. The correct answer is C. Their velocities after the impact. Which particle is the smallest to participate in a chemical reaction? A. Ion. B. Atom. C. Proton. D. Molecule. The correct answer is B. Atom. What does the term clockwise moment refer to? A. The moment created by the unknown weight. B. The moment created by the known weight. C. The net moment in the system. D. The moment at the pivot point. The correct answer is B. The moment created by the known weight. Which part of the sperm is connected by a short neck? A. Head and middle piece. B. Head and tail. C. Middle piece and tail. D. Acrosome and head. The correct answer is A. Head and middle piece. What happens to water molecules when the temperature increases, leading to a higher rate of evaporation? A. They condense more readily. B. They are able to break free from the surface. C. They become less energetic. D. They form stronger bonds with each other. The correct answer is B. They are able to break free from the surface. What is a primary function of stratified epithelium? A. Allowing for gas exchange. B. Facilitating rapid diffusion. C. Providing protection to underlying tissues. D. Producing lubricating fluids. The correct answer is C. Providing protection to underlying tissues. When measuring the speed of an automobile using the Doppler effect, what emits the electromagnetic wave? A. A police car. B. The listener's ear. C. A stationary sound source. D. The automobile itself. The correct answer is A. A police car. How many distinct parts does a soap molecule contain? A. 4. B. 2. C. 3. D. 1. The correct answer is B. 2. What happens to the progesterone level during menstruation? A. It is increased. B. It is decreased. C. It ceases. D. It remains normal. The correct answer is B. It is decreased. Which of these processes involves a change in physical state upon heating? A. Rusting. B. Combustion. C. Oxidation. D. Melting. The correct answer is D. Melting. Which of the following is not described as a characteristic of sound in the provided text? A. Timbre. B. Wavelength. C. Loudness. D. Pitch. The correct answer is B. Wavelength. Besides aging, what other medical issue is mentioned as a cause of hearing loss if not treated? A. Fever. B. Allergies. C. Common cold. D. Ear infections. The correct answer is D. Ear infections. How did you score?